Welcome back, everyone. I'm so excited to make this follow-up video showing how to do the permanent fix on the tip-em for these Dodge Caravans that drain your battery because of the fuel pump relay switch gone bad. In my previous video, if you want to look it up, I show exactly the reason why these Dodge Caravans are draining their batteries, and I gave you a temporary solution by pulling the M25 fuse. Now this video is going to show you the permanent solution on how to fix this. It does not require any wiring whatsoever. All you need to do is get this relay switch that I just came in the mail today. I haven't even unwrapped it. I'm going to show you how to install it, and I'm going to show you the website that you need to go to get it. It only costs $59, and it is a permanent solution to this. You will never have to do anything again to this. All right, so let's see what we got here. We're gonna take it out. As you can see, it's comes with the fuse clips that will go into the same slots as the ones we're going to take out, the M25 and the M37 fuses. So what you do is take the M25 fuse out. We'll set that aside. And you're going to take the M37 fuse, which I believe is this one right here. You can double check on your gauge here. So that's a 10. That one's tough. There we go. All right. Now the M37 fuse, as you can see, is this slot here, and the M25 is here. Now this fuse right here, the M17, might be in the way from this going on there, but that slots right in. Now what we got to do is put those fuses into the new relay. So that's what I'm going to do now. So the 20-watt fuse goes into here. $20 amp, I should say, not watt. And the 10 goes into here. All right. So now this, as you can see, is perfectly cut out to go around this M18. So you're going to line up these into here. Make sure your car is off. It slides right in perfectly like that. And you'll notice that it also has these test lights that right here, see the run, start, original relay, and pump on. Those lights come on. They actually send you a little wire kit that comes with it that helps you to run the test. But you don't need to do the test. All you need to do is now start the car, and the car should function properly. All right, so yes, success, it works. So look, let me show you the website that you need to go to get this. It's called Vertical Visions. Go to verticalvisions.com, and you can go. It's an engineer that developed this just for this problem. Thank you so much. I do believe his name is Jason Bell. Thank you for using your brains to fix this problem for us and giving us, making it available to us. Thank you much, and we'll see you next time.